Hey guys, I just want to show you how to do recycling real quick through MobileSentrix using these sheets. You go into RMA, you can find this sheet right here. Pull it up, this is the RMA sheet. I did a new one, 1430.28. I'm in 1430 right now, just doing recycling specifically for MobileSentrix. As you can see, you go into our account and then you go to Product Returns RMA. You can select for a product return. So I have all these screens in here. And what we need to do is search these screens. First, make sure that it has MobileSentrix sticker in there. You can see the sticker. Then it has a number on it. This has 537 right there. So what I'm going to do, you can add a new row. I'm going to change this to 1430 walnut. 0537. 5SE, black. That's exactly what this is. Perfect. I already have this one here. So we'll do another one. I'm going to choose the next screen. Looks like we have the 4121. Should be 6 white. 6 aftermarket white. Pick reason, not functioning properly. Cool, you can keep adding these. I put them in a pile, and then I put it over here too. 6 aftermarket. Don't need a color because black and white we get the same price for it. Jump over here. 6, because I just want to make sure what they're giving us credit for is accurate. So I want to have a track for our records too. So we'll put $16. You should see that. Let's do one more just so you have it. Let's see. These look like K&Fs. We have 1694. Jump back over here. 1694. Aftermarket black. RMA. Let's check. Yep. MobileSentrix. Yes. 7 aftermarket black. Okay. There's going to be 2 of those because I had a white one and a black one. Let's see the price. And then whenever you're done, you submit this. I'm pretty sure we get a return label, or we can email them and be annoying and ask them for one if they don't give us one. These go for 25. You see 50 right there. You tally this up. That way we have it. You tally this up. You submit it with comments. Ask right here in the comments, need a return package slip, please. And then we submit that. Thanks. Do this for each location, Ray and Jake Nelson. I'll try to take care of it here at 1430. Thanks.